Hi everyone, welcome to the WMG Digital Edu with me, Miss Indah. Today we will learn English grade 8. Unit 1. I have written a short story. Unit 2. Where is the nearest supermarket? Unit 3. Whose bag is this? Unit 4. Come and visit us. Open your book, Unit 1. I have written a short story. In this unit, we will study about narrative text. Narrative text. What is narrative text? A text that tells about an imaginative story in the past. The social function of narrative text: to entertain and to teach people moral lessons with a story. The language features adverb of time, conjunction, simple past tense, and past continuous tense. Types of narrative text. Legend. In bahasa is legenda adalah cerita rakyat yang mengisahkan bagaimana asal-usul dari sebuah tempat itu ada. Folktale in bahasa is cerita rakyat adalah cerita yang diceritakan secara turun-temurun sehingga menjadi suatu bagian dari tradisi masyarakat. Myth in bahasa is mite adalah cerita atau mitos ini banyak berkembang pada masyarakat serta umumnya dianggap menjadi cerita yang faktual atau benar-benar terjadi. Fable in bahasa is fable adalah cerita yang mengisahkan mengenai binatang. Fairy tale in bahasa is dongeng adalah cerita rakyat atau cerita anak-anak yang di dalamnya mengandung unsur keajaiban atau ketidakmungkinan terhadap para tokoh ceritanya, serta pada bagian akhir mengandung pesan moral. Here is the example of narrative text. Cinderella. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Cinderella. She was pretty, laughing, and clever, but she was very poor. She lived with her stepmother and stepsister. They were very mean. They hated Cinderella very much. Fortunately, she met a prince. He fell in love with her. Then Cinderella became a princess. Generic structure of the text Cinderella. Orientation. Evaluation. Complication. Resolution and reorientation. Match the words in column A with the synonym in column B. Column A consists of 1. Beautiful, 2. Intelligent, 3. Like, 4. Small, 5. Cold. Column B consists of A. Love, B. Pretty, C. Little, D. Clever, E. Name it. Answer the questions based on the story. 1. What is the title of the story? 2. What is the story about? 3. With whom did Cinderella live? 4. How did Cinderella look like? 5. Were her stepmother and her stepsister friendly? Open your book Inspirasi, page 6. Well, that's all for today. See you next time. Thank you.